Store your board Hi Port 2 kayak ceiling rack. The store your board, or anything really, ceiling rack. Stick around for the answer because we should lead off with the positives because this rack, it's pretty solid. Positive number 1, alloy steel frame. This 30-inch arms and a bracket that rotates 90 degrees to hit whatever joist direction you're working with. That's genuinely thoughtful structural engineering for a ceiling mount. I had to rotate it 90 degrees before it would go in. The closed cell foam padding is the right call too. Open cell absorbs water and degrades. Closed cell stays chemically inert against gel coat and polyethylene hulls. You know, I spent 20 minutes on the ladder trying to locate a ceiling joist, and Rex spent that same 20 minutes trying to figure out if the kayak on the floor was a tunnel or a nap spot. He chose the nap spot. The kayak is now stored on the ceiling for reasons beyond organization. Positive number 4, the arms adjust tool-free from 10 to 18 inches of drop height, which means you can dial in clearance for a rec kayak versus a touring haul without breaking out the socket set. And 210 reviewers flagged installation as a positive, for which a ceiling hardware is generally a rare outcome. Getting 2 boats completely up off the floor, and overhead frees up an entire lane of garage real estate. Hey, and that answer you've been waiting for? The rack's rated for 150 pounds, but 2 of the failure modes in the reviews have nothing to do with weight. The included lag screws are under spec for the torque a ceiling mount actually sees. And if your garage has engineered I-Joists instead of solid dimensional lumber, the whole load path changes and the rating is effectively fiction. Swap the hardware at the store before you even open this box, and check your joist type before you even ever load a kayak. Negative, I always find you 1. Parts missing from the box is a recurring complaint, and that's not a one-off. That's a QC process failure, not a shipping fluke. The workaround is embarrassing simple. Before you mount anything, lay out every piece against the hardware sheet and count screws like you're doing pre-flight. Hardware store run is 10 minutes. A second trip after the rack is half installed is a personality-altering experience.